Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, the Abby-licious, and for today's video, as you can see, oh my god, so there's some parts, but we're not gonna do that. So we're doing a DIY birthday photo shoot. So my birthday is in a few days, and this is something that I always wanted to do. No, I didn't want to hire a photographer. I wanted to do this myself because it's more fun and it is a content idea, so why not? This is the first time I am showing my body since I had a baby, so this is like really, you know, so I wanted to do it myself because I didn't want to be half naked in front of a stranger. But anyway, so in this video we'll be showing you guys how I create my rose bottom and top, and I will be putting in some clips of how I did my makeup and my hair. But yeah, stay tuned to this video. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my videos. There are more videos to come, and yeah, without further ado, let's get into my DIY birthday photo shoot. Did my hair halfway, and oh my god, my face is breaking out. And then I'm just gonna do like a simple everyday makeup look, and I'm just gonna do a bright red lipstick. So I'm gonna fast forward this part. Okay, so now that we are, oh, the lighting, okay, cool. So now that we are done with the look, this is what I'm doing. I feel like I'm missing lashes, but we are going to get that together in a minute. But anyway, damn, this highlight hair is looking cute on me. I'm not going to show y'all the back because the back isn't like doing so well right now. But anyways, this is the fun part of the video. So right here we have the roses I got from Amazon. I got some gloves. I got the glue gun, and I got an old bra that I'm gonna use because I'm gonna throw this out in a minute. And I got this red thong that I've never worn before, so, and I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna wear it, so I'm gonna use those. So we are going to get this together and show y'all how I do it. Okay, so now that we are done with the look, this is what I'm doing. I feel like I'm missing lashes, but we are going to get that together in a minute. And show y'all how I do it. Damn, girl, you fine. Okay, so I've never used a glue gun before. Trying not to wake this baby up. And if you want this exact glue gun, this exact glove, and the roses that I use, it's going to be in my Amazon storefront and my description box. So go ahead and click on those links and get you these supplies if you want to recreate this look. And just a heads up, like, this is not an original idea. Like, I got this off of TikTok, I want to say like years ago, like last year. I want to say like every time, like around Valentine's Day or stuff like that, you see girls on TikTok doing this similar DIY flower shoot, whatever. But, right, so I got the idea off there. All right, so they give you 10 glue sticks, this little mini glue gun. I'm gonna wind this. I'm like, this baby is like spinning and turning. I'm like, please don't get up. This is what the roses look like. Oh, it looks so cute. Okay. This is what the rose look like, and I'm gonna take the stem off, if that's possible. Okay, no, so it's not holding the rose, so you can absolutely take it off. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to glue them around the bra. I think I'm just gonna start with the middle first. Give me little scissors. I'm gonna cut this part off. I'm gonna make a mess in this house and I have to clean it later. Okay. Maybe I should get my glue gun ready. Does this come in instructions? Because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so we're gonna take the stick and put it in here. Girl, I cannot find the hole. Well, I can find the hole, but I can't put it inside the hole, if that makes sense. Oh, there we go. Okay, right. It's getting hot. I just hope like these 10 little sticks can work, because so they give it 2 to 3 minutes, let the gun heat up, and then you do that. So what we're gonna do, let me put that down because it seemed dangerous. I'm gonna pan you guys down just a little bit so you guys can see what I'm doing and don't mind my background. You know, let me glue my fingers together. guys, this is the finished product. I'm not going to put like roses around it because I feel like the way how I'm going to the way I'm going to position, I'm not going to need, you're not going to be able to see the back, and I might just replace the straps with some clear straps. But this is how it looks. The green doesn't show that much. This is the inside. The green doesn't show that much, and that's why I didn't care to hide the green. So now we're gonna go with the underwear. For some reason I have hair glue on it, but we don't care about that. We are not going to worry about that at all. So it is sheer, so we might have a little problem, but we are going to do it nonetheless. We're going to try to cover it as much as possible. I feel like these roses are like too big for this, but anyways, we're going to do this real quick and come back. Okay, you guys, so wait, because this lighting, they hid me like how I want. Okay, I'm cute. I can't stop looking at myself. My fingertips are red from, I think it's from the rose, but I am finally done. I decided to do the bottom part off camera just because I was just gonna move a little bit faster. So here is the finish. Here's the finished look. It is so sexy and I can't wait to put it on. So that's literally what it looks like. Hopefully I don't stretch it out so the roses stay together, but if not, I will just, you know, like adjust the rose. And then this is the top. So it's honestly a little bit too heavy, and because of the padding on the inside, so I think I'm going to take these straps off, and I have some clear straps, and I'm just going to put them on. And of course the gloves is from Amazon as well, in my Amazon storefront. Go ahead, click that link in my description box. But this is a silk glove. Now on the picture I can tell that she is in a velvet glove, but the velvet gloves are a little bit more expensive off Amazon, and since I'm probably only going to use this once, so I figured why not. Ooh, I feel so sexy and seductive. Bet you I'm gonna take your man with these gloves on. I'm joking, I ain't taking nobody man. I don't even want your man, baby girl. All right, you guys, oh my god, my wig is slipping. Like, this is getting out of control, y'all, but I think I'm ready. So the black is showing a little bit, so I will just suggest just use a red bra. I don't have a red bra because I threw it out a few days ago because I don't be wearing bras no more. But you know, it don't look bad. And I did use the clear straps, so I cut the black one off and I put clear straps on it. It doesn't look bad, honestly, and if it does show on the picture, I know a way how to, you know, smooth it out so it don't look that bad. So we're gonna put some I did add some more roses to the sides, but don't even worry about the parts that are showing because it's not even gonna show for long. And while this baby is down, we are going to hurry up and get this done. So my backdrop fell down, and your girls need some baby oil, and we're gonna oil up these ashy ass legs because we can't fix those in pictures. I'm not that good. So I'll be back. Hey guys, so I'm back. Oh my god, so the gloves does not fit the rose or the background, but we are not even gonna, like, it's gonna be fixed in editing. But let me show y'all what it looks like. Okay. I'm doing way too much, but I am freaking hot. My wig is slipping. I had to re-glue it because it's a T-part wig. We're not gonna talk about that. Gloves are on. Link in my Amazon storefront. And yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna use these. This is what was left from the roses. It's cute. I might use them. I might use them, but in the meantime, I'm gonna set this up, pre-record it, and not pre-record, I'm gonna screen record while I take the pictures. My lighting is ready, and god, I'm hot, so I'm just gonna do this real quick. Hopefully the pictures come out. This is a trust the process type of situation, so don't judge this. Like, I'm not a professional, and no, I don't need a professional photographer to do my photos because I got it. I am a do-it-yourself kind of girl, okay? All right, so without further ado, let's take some pictures. All right, you guys. Oh my God, I am sweaty. I am tired. Hopefully those pictures came out good. Note to self, if you're using a sheet, do not tape it to the door, or don't tape it to the wall, because it's not gonna hold. Look, like, it's the amount of times I have adjusted this. That's why I'm so hot right now. Look at this. Like, but that's just so embarrassing, you guys. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I will be posting the pictures on Instagram, and of course I'm going to use a picture for my thumbnail. But that is all I have for this video. Again, if you need to purchase these things that I use to create this look, it will be in the description box on my Amazon storefront. So go on ahead, use that link, and grab the roses, the glue gun, and the glove to create this look. But yeah, that is it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.